say. We're out here today at the wonderful Cameo Shooting Education Complex in Western Colorado. Today I'm out here with a friend of mine doing some one-on-one stuff, and we're working on some speed. So one of the concepts that I like to talk about when we're doing speed is relaxation and tension at the beginning of right before you're shooting, right? So relaxation, I like to try to get people to visualize a little Bruce Lee saying I stole, which is be like water. So meaning when we're shooting, right before we go to take those first shots and we're ready for that timer, just kind of let it flow, right? Be cognizant of what we're doing, but we want to be like water. That always helps me kind of relax, but also be fluid. So I'm going to do a couple drop first shot drills here to show you kind of how I do stuff, and we'll go from there, all right? That's a 107. 107. I'm a little warmed up today, and now it's gone. So we'll back off the track. Trying to jump the gun. Jump the beat. 108, but I pushed it a little bit right, or left, sorry. So I kind of let my support hand give in a little bit, and my driving hand pushed it out of target. And right now I'm shooting at the 8-inch circle in the center mass. That's a 112. .103. It's a 108. Earlier it broke 1 second by like 0.9 or so, 9.2s. .93. So let's see if we can get one more sub-second. Be like one. 0.95. That one I kind of gloved up my concealment. .96. Now, the other thing I like to do is go ahead and do a couple of triples or control pairs, one of the two, so that my grip doesn't end up suffering by doing too many draw to first shots in singles. Brian Hill and we did Complete Combatants deliberate coaching in June, at the beginning of June. So I kind of learned from him that some of these things that we keep doing, we tend to have the problem of developing a weaker grip when we know that it's just one shot. So we got to try and mix in a couple follow-up shots when we're under speed, so that we don't accidentally ingrain a bad habit potentially of just kind of, we know it's one shot, so let's let it go. So I'm going to do a couple of threes and a couple controlled pairs and see where we're at. That was a 153. Splits shoot 3, first shot. First shot was 110. That was a 131. First shot on that one was a .91, so we broke a second. So that's a quick little video from me. My name is Brent Hickmon. I'm a lead instructor for Defenders USA out here in Colorado. So if you want to take some of our classes, you can find those at defenders-usa.com. So today, if you want to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so, and maybe we can help you grow yourself as a defender for those that yourself and for those you love.